Welcome to Monaco. Today I will introduce you to Flor Palace II residence on Avenue de Grande Bretagne. The residence is located in Monte Carlo, in close proximity to the Golden Square, Larvotto Beach and the new district of Mareterra. The bourgeois-style building has a lift and reception area. We will see the 3-bedroom apartment of 131 square meters. Upon entering the apartment, we find a corridor with built-in wardrobes leading to a spacious living room with large windows. The apartment has a partial view of the sea, Larvotto Beach and the new district of Mareterra. The apartment has been completely renovated and equipped with air conditioning system. The modern bespoke kitchen is equipped with quality built-in German appliances. In the other part of the spacious living room, you can decorate a lounge area. From the living room, we pass to the master bedroom. The bedroom also has sea views. There is a walk-in wardrobe. And an ensuite bathroom with a shower, 2 wash basins and a toilet. During the renovation, great attention has been paid to storage space with many built-in wardrobes. From the corridor, you can access 2 more bedrooms. Opposite the first one is a bathroom with a shower. Next to it is a guest toilet. At the end of the corridor is the last 3rd bedroom. So, do you want to live in Monaco? Please write in the comments. And if you need more details about this apartment or help find a new home in Monaco, Monte Carlo, feel free to message me on WhatsApp or Telegram. All my contact details are in the video description. And like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you soon in Monaco.